Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. We made this beaded keychain, so let's see what we need to make this. We need seed beads, nylon thread, scissor, and glue. And you can also use this method to make the sew. Let's start the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
after a long time, our beaded letter keychain is ready. If I like it, please let me know in the comments section below what you want to watch next, and watch our other videos and subscribe also.